Good day. Today I'm going to talk about an embarrassingly simple yet profitable forex trading strategy. This video is brought to you by Forex Trading Playbook TV. So let's get on to it. It's too simple that I'm embarrassed. Some would call my method primitive, simplistic and primitive, and in many ways it is. But ultimately, as forex traders, we are judged based on results, and I've been getting plenty of good results recently using this method. So I'll go straight to the jugular. Here are the simple steps that I've used to gain profit for the past few months, and even actually I've refined the strategy. I've been trading for many years, but I've came to the point where simple is good. I've thrown away all the indicators that mess up my charts and just focus on the simplicity of the candlestick chart without any indicators, without any encumbrances, without any disturbances. So here are the simple steps that I've used to enter the market. First of all, I need to find a trending pair. My preference is to choose only major pairs, specifically Euro USD, GBP USD, AUD USD, USD Japanese yen, New Zealand dollar USD, and GBP or Great Britain pound sterling, Japanese yen. So okay, of course the Great Britain pound sterling Japanese yen is an exception. So the key here is I need to make sure that the pair is trending, meaning it is moving towards a specific direction, either upwards or downwards. So it should not remain static in one area. It should not that's why I say static in one area. It needs to show some kind of direction. The third step is I need to identify the tops and the bottoms, or some may say support and resistance levels. The fourth step is I need to identify the major trend at daily chart. So the D1, and I need to identify the entry points at the 4-hour chart and also the 1-hour chart. Okay, and here's the key. Actually, I only enter the market at support or resistance levels, not when the price is already moving. So this is key actually. So here are some things that you need to remember. First of all, please practice safe trading. Do not trade more than your equity. For each trade, only risk 3 to 5%, and you must definitely always apply stop losses while trading. For me personally, I prefer to trade at 5% risk. I'm a bit of a risk taker, but ultimately it's only up to 5%. So for a $1,000 account with a 5% risk, I am willing to lose a maximum of $50 per trade. Only $50 per trade, or it's equivalent of 5%. So if my stop loss is set at 30 pips, then if you have a look at this calculation, $50 divided by 30 pips is equals to $1.67 per pip. Okay, so this is basically the value of pip for the particular trade for a 5% risk. For an account that has only 5% risk and for only a 30 pip stop loss. And when you translate that to lot size, that would be 0.67 for a standard trading account. Okay, the other thing to remember is news is very important. Okay, it is an important indicator of where the price will be moving. It will definitely, or it will affect my decision on whether I should enter a market or enter pair, or should I hold and observe instead. So the other point is I trade solely without indicators. It's a pure naked candlestick chart. It is clean and it is easy to see trend. And what you need to remember also is most of the indicators out there are based on the actual candlestick chart. It is a derivative of the candlestick chart, and also it is lagging. Okay, in some ways it is lagging, meaning when the price moves, the indicator will then show where the direction should be. So I wouldn't want that. I would like to have an indicator that tells me where the price will move before the price moves, but that is not always the case. So basically we need to decipher the chart based on raw naked candlestick chart. The other point is I will be on the lookout for rejection signals at key support and resistance level at the 4-hour chart and also 1-hour chart. Okay, I will explain shortly in our live trade. So I'm going to show some live trade today. But basically the 4-hour chart and the 1-hour basically the rejection signals, what I'm looking for actually are strong solid pin bar. Okay, if I see a strong solid pin bar appearing on a, for example, 4-hour chart, and it's on a key level, basically perhaps it's on a resistance level or it's on a support level, then that would affect my decision on whether I should enter the market to buy or to sell, because it is basically it shows it is a strong indicator of a change or reversal in direction. I will also take note of a sequence of rejection candlesticks, basically a sequence of pin bars and candlesticks. I will show later on, but yeah, these are some things that I'm on the lookout. And I will also be on the lookout for breakout signals that indicate that a breakout is going to happen very soon. The most important way of looking at it is candlesticks forming in a stepwise manner, whether moving towards going down or moving towards going up, meaning either the breakout is going to be a bearish breakout, there will be a fall in the price, a huge fall in price, or a stepwise manner going up, indicating that the breakout will shoot up in a very short span of time. So I mean, enough talking. Okay, we want some live trading examples. So I would prefer to talk less and show examples of how I analyze the market or how I enter the market. So let's get to it. Let's go for exit. Let me check. Okay, we have a few charts here. Okay, here's the Euro USD daily. Not showing, so let me zoom. Okay, this is our chart for the Euro USD daily. What can I say? What does this show? Yep, it doesn't show anything. Okay, what I can say right now is um, for the past few days, okay, today is Wednesday. For the past few days, the market has been rather stagnant. There's been a huge rejection. Okay, yesterday, okay, the price tried to go down, but it was rejected. And today it tried to go down again and it's rejected. Meaning, okay, basically, so I will just put an indicator here. Let me put some kind of marker. This should be a strong solid marker here. Okay, should be all right. Okay, no, sorry, I need to change a bit. Let me change the marker down here. Okay, yep. Let's change the color to, oh come on, okay, let's change the color to yellow. I like yellow. Yep, yellow is a strong color. Now let me zoom. Okay, now let's have a look. Okay, very strong indicator. What do we see here? Okay, so this is a this is a strong level here. Okay, this is a reversal level in the daily chart for the euro. Okay, let's have a look. Euro USD daily, meaning once every time the price, this is a important market daily chart. So let's observe. Okay, based on my analysis right now, okay, today is a Wednesday, starting to become much more active. Okay, then what's going to happen is the movement is going to be clearer on a Thursday and also on a Friday. But I'll just show what is happening right now. I'll just pinpoint some items here. This is today the candlestick chart, daily chart for on the July 11, 2018. This was on the July 10th, 2018. So this is on a Wednesday, this chart here, and this is on a Tuesday, this is on a Monday. So let's observe the movement for the past week. This is Friday. Okay, for the past week, there has been movement upward. There has been a bullish move upward. So last week, this very important level here, or this very important resistance here has been broken. Okay, has been broken, forming or making this particular line here or level here to become the support. Okay, it has been broken and the price has closed over here, and right now it has changed itself from support, from resistance to become a support. So the price moved up here, and on Monday it reaches at this highest point, but then there was some rejection, of course. So I'll put a marker here. It's an important marker. It's a very important marker. It tried to go up here. There's been a rejection, and now the price closed here. Then on Tuesday there was a move downwards. It went to its lowest point. It tried to break through this support, but it did not manage to break through. The buyers are very strong. They pushed back the sellers who were trying to break through this support, and on Tuesday it closed over here. So we have one rejection on Tuesday, and today there was another move downward, another bearish move, actually. So it opened here, and there was a bearish move. It tried to break through this support, but right now this is happening live right now. Unfortunately, there is a huge rejection. So basically, the buyers, they have been pushing back and holding on this very strong support here. They would not want the support to be broken. So it's always it's highly likely that the market will move upwards. That's my take on the whole thing right now. For the Euro USD pair. Now, I'm not really sure, but based on the data at hand, okay, let's have a look at the weekly chart. Let's make our analysis more solid. So for the past few weeks, the market, the price has been consistently moving upwards. So this is the current week. This was last week. This was the last week, the week before, and the week before. So this is like the past 3 weeks of movement. The price has, for Euro USD, has been steadily moving upwards, steadily bullish. There's a bullish move, and of course we prefer observing based on the daily chart. Okay, let me see here. So what I can see is this is now the price is retracing to the support, and once the price closes above the support, what's gonna happen here is I'm gonna predict or estimate that the price will start to move upwards. Basically, I'm looking towards buying for the Euro USD. So, is there an opportunity to enter the market right now? Well, right now, while I'm really biased, or I'm quite confident or not confident, I'm biased that the market will eventually go up. I will observe and wait for some indication. Okay, so just to show how it is moving right now. Okay, the market has not been showing any signs of this. Here's the for our chart. Okay, so if we have a look at the daily chart, there has been huge rejection on the daily chart. So yesterday there was a rejection. Today it seems like the move downwards has been rejected. I mean, the bias has been pushing up, but there has not been any indication or solid indication that the price will eventually shoot upwards. Okay, this is something that we need to wait and see. Of course, there are still opportunities to make money. We still have the range is around 75 pip. Still a lot of opportunities to make money. What's my verdict on this pair? While it's moving upwards, I will wait and see. The price seems to be retracing within this limited range, 75 pip range. I will observe or have a look tomorrow. Tomorrow is an important day. I think the price will start to show its color or show its intention by tomorrow. So I will wait and see for the Euro USD. Okay, now let's have a look at the GBP or Great Britain Pound Sterling daily chart. Okay, what do we have here? Is there any opportunity to make money on this chart? Okay, roughly from just viewing the chart right now. Okay, the price for the GBP USD pair has been steadily moving upward. It is basically bullish in its move. Let me see here. I'll put a marker here. This is an important level, basically a rejection level. So it is, I can consider as a resistance. This is the support for previous chart, and this has become a resistance. So basically the price needs to move upwards towards this particular level here, and it must close, okay, on top of this level for us to gauge or make a meaningful assessment of where the price will be heading. But right now I'm very biased that the price will go up anyway. Let's have a look from this point here to this point here. We have around 75. Still some opportunities to make money if you are very interested in some intraday or short-term trades. Let's have a look at the, yep, it's not so beautiful. The chart, the price seems to show no direction at all. I'm not in favor of this kind of pattern. It's like gambling. You really don't know where the market is heading. You can either buy and the price will go down and you will lose a lot of money, or you can sell and the price will go up. The price has not what is this chart is showing right now, especially during our, if we talk about the 4-hour chart right now, what the chart is showing right now is indecision in the market. While long-term trends clearly show that the market is going up, this has been the trend for the past 1 week. Right now it's consolidating within a particular range. Okay, it's moving upwards and downwards, and it's not quite certain where it's moving, so I will hold for, I will not make a move on this. I will need to look further, see the price needs to show its colors or show intention of direction before I can make a move to enter the market. Okay, let's have a look at our USD Japanese yen daily chart. Okay, wow, okay. So the Japanese yen, okay, USD Japanese yen seems to be trending right now. It seems to move upwards really strongly, really strongly. So let's have a look. So this is our weekly chart. You can see from here, this week alone the price has started to break out, okay, move upwards here. If we can see, I'm going back to the daily chart for the USD JPY. So yesterday, let's observe how the price is formed right now. Okay, there was a rejection here. Okay, there was a solid move up and upwards. This was on Tuesday. The price tried to close on top of this important resistance, but it was not able to. It closed below the level. However, today the price immediately shoot up. Okay, it immediately shoot up, indicating very strong buyer sentiment. Very strong buyer sentiment. Okay, this is something, the USD JPY pair is something that I would be observing really closely, really closely. I would look for opportunities to trade for this pair. Now, this is interesting. This is going to be really interesting. Okay, because if it closes here, okay, if the pair closes on top or above this level here, then we might see a continuation of the trend, a continuation of the bullish trend, or the price moving upwards. So, well, of course, we know the money is in the chart. We know if we know that the market is trending, then basically our job is just to trade along with the trend. So that's where the money is. Don't trade against the trend. You're gonna lose a lot of money. So I'm gonna zoom, or I'm going to look for important entry levels here. Are there opportunities to make money? Of course there are opportunities. So here, this is in our 4-hour chart for the USD JPY pair. I'm gonna put some here, okay, a level here. So go there, let me change the color to the color red. Yeah, I like red. Let's change it to red. Okay. Now we have a huge 4-hour chart move just recently. It's just happening right now. Just happening. So what does it indicate? It indicates a strong buying momentum. The buys are very strong. Will the momentum continue? Okay, usually what happens in this case is it will follow this, this particular pattern. Strong movement upwards, some consolidation, a bit of retracement going down and shooting up. Will this happen for this particular case? It might happen. So how do we enter, or how do we enter the market in this kind of scenario? Okay, let me see. Let us see right now. Okay, let me adjust a bit based on some important key patterns. Let's see, there are some. Okay, now here we go. Okay, this is an important level. It has been broken. This is about a 4-hour chart. What else can we gauge from this particular data? I would go for the 1-hour chart. No, there's no indication at all. The price is moving very strongly. There was an opportunity to enter here, or over here. But then again, how do we know? The market is not shown its color. Right now, what we can see here, or what we can expect from this particular pattern here, is the price will probably go down. Okay, it will close at this level, then it will probably go down until here. So I will be observing this red color, or this red line, very closely, this level here, or this strong support. Right now it's going to be a support very soon, because if the candlestick, the 4-hour candlestick, closes at this point, then what's going to happen here is the price will either continue to shoot upwards, or it will retrace near this level, or up to this level here, or even slightly below, and it will continue its movement or momentum upwards. So it will be like this. It will be in this kind of manner, upwards, going down a bit. So it will probably go down a bit here, make its move, then shoot upwards. So I will be observing this level very closely. Right now there is no opportunity to enter the market. We need to gauge carefully. I'm going to gauge carefully. The market will retrace at some point in time, and it will show some kind of rejection signal. If we can see here, yep, you can see here. So okay, enough for USD JPY. Let's look at the Australian dollars, US dollar, USD. What can we see here from our daily chart? Okay, there's been let's have a look. Is it trending? Right now it's trending downwards. It's not showing. It's just is there any indication of or any opportunities to make money here? It's been playing around, basically. It's going down. Then one thing I observe about the Australian dollars USD pair is that it has been moving upwards and downwards for quite some time. There's opportunities in both sides, either to buy or to sell. Really depends on the H4, the 4-hour chart. So right now I see an opportunity. Okay, there is a strong selling momentum here, and right now, even right now in our 4-hour chart, I see a huge opportunity to sell. Okay, I can see right now that we have an opportunity to sell. Okay, now here the market is going down. We don't know yet, but basically this is what we call as the stepwise manner. There's going to be either a breakout soon. I've made a level here, and I'm going to create another level here. Where's the next support? Okay, it's going to be around here. This is going to be an important support, basically. So now let's have a look at the 1-hour chart. Okay, today, okay, the price went up. Okay, went down and went up and went down right once again, meaning right now there is a strong momentum or selling momentum. The sellers are pushing the buyers. It's pushing downwards, even though there was a move going up. The sellers are pushing right now. Okay, the sellers are pushing the value of the Australian dollars right now, because there is a really strong, solid momentum for the US dollar. Basically, the US dollar is getting stronger, perhaps because of some news events earlier just now. And right now, there's a strong selling momentum. The sellers are coming in and coming in. What does that show us? Okay, especially when I observe on this chart right now here, there's going to be a free fall, meaning this is the 4-hour chart right now, because I'm trading in Malaysia. Trading in Malaysia right now. So basically, this 4-hour chart it ends at 9, 10, 11, 12, 1 o'clock, 1 a.m. Malaysia time. So I probably need to wait until this 4-hour candlestick here closes. So it's a risk actually, but if it closes here at this level here at 1 a.m., then we know there is gold to be made. There is money to be made. I'm going to make my entry somewhere here. You see, okay, it will be here. I'll make a line here. This is gonna be my entry zone, very solid entry zone. So between these two yellow lines, let's have a look. Yellow lines, 1 yellow, 2 yellow. So I've identified a spot. I've identified where the money is probably gonna be made. It's gonna be, I'm gonna estimate. Okay, let me make this clearer. So if you notice one rejection, okay, this is the 4-hour chart. So when I mention in over here, I will be on the lookout for breakout signals, candlestick forming in a stepwise manner. So right now, we can see right now, there is a strong selling momentum, then candlestick, this is a 4-hour candlestick, so this has been happening for quite some time. Okay, it has formed a stepwise manner. The candlestick is forming. There's been a rejection and a rejection here, but moving downwards, there's been a push to break this support, but there was a rejection. And right now the price is still moving downwards. Very soon, I can say very soon, the market will show itself. So the market is highly likely to be bearish, and this is a very strong setup for my case, basically. Okay, a very strong setup. If I were to look at the daily chart, okay, will it continue upwards, downwards? No. Okay, um, yeah, but we can trade intraday. It's very strong setup or a breakout signal basically. Okay, there's a strong solid Maru Bozu, strong solid for candlestick signal. There's some stepwise, the price candlestick forming in a stepwise manner. Basically price is not undecided, but it's like recouping itself for the next big move downwards. So I anticipate the price, if it stops or closes around here, I will either immediately enter the market, or I will make an entry over here. I'll put a pending order, sell limit pending order here, somewhere here in between these yellow lines. I'll make a pending order, and I'll wait for the price to retrace and hit my pending order, and expect that the price will push downwards further up to this point here, which if I were to calculate how much I will be gaining, probably around 27 pip, but I anticipate that the price will go further downwards based on my experience with the Australian dollars USD. The price will probably go down until here, so I'll play safe. You can probably make around 50 pips in this breakout move alone, which is really good. really good basically. So okay, now let's see for the New Zealand. Okay, okay, we have a move here. Okay, so I hope you are not bored with what I'm saying or what I'm explaining here. Right now what we are viewing right now here is the GBP JPY daily pair. Yep. Okay, please ignore the balance, $0.58. This is just a test account. This is just a test account. I have many accounts. So this is I'm using this account right now just to test the market basically. So okay, let's have a look. There is a strong for the GBP JPY. There's a strong selling momentum even for daily. Of course, I can create some levels, make it more interesting. But I would be interested to look at the 4-hour chart to see if there's an opportunity. What does the 4-hour chart show? Okay, it shows that the price, the price is moving upwards basically. The market is moving upwards. Okay, this is a very important level. I have to go back to the daily chart, sorry. This is how I analyze the market. I know that the market is trending upwards. I know that the price is trying to break this level, this resistance here. I tried to break on Monday, it did not break. There was a huge rejection. It tried to break the level once again on Tuesday, but that did not happen. There was a rejection, and now the price is starting to break. It tries to break this level on Wednesday. Will it will the level be broken? I'm not so sure, but what I do understand here is, if I just observe from this particular setup here, this is quite a strong what can I say? Quite a strong reversal level. Yep. Because there was a point in time when that was back in May or June. Okay, June. The price, the price tried to break through this level, but it did not manage to break through. These are what we call as a rejection candle. These are the strings of rejection candle, indicating a reversal in move. So will that happen here? So of course I'll need to wait for this daily candlestick to close. Is there an opportunity to make money here? I'd rather wait. There's gonna be huge opportunity to make money if the candlestick daily candlestick closes on top of this level. Then we know for sure that the market is moving upwards. It has broken the barrier, especially if there's a solid move upwards. We know that the buyer has taken over from the seller, and there is going to be a buying momentum where we'll just ride the trend. But right now, for the GBP JPY pair, it's a look see, or it's an observing situation. We observe where the price will be heading. So the only opportunity right now is for here. There's going to be an opportunity. Sorry, no, the only opportunity right now is the AUD USD. Okay, there's there is opportunity. The market has been going up down, but for the short term, there's some opportunity to be made here. I'll be making some moves later on, very soon. So, yeah, that's about it. That's about it. So, we have I've shown, I've discussed my very simple strategy, embarrassingly simple yet profitable forex trading strategy. It's not something to shout out, but at the same time, it works. Okay, you can try it out, and also you can let me know how does it work or does it not work. But for me personally, it works. It's something I've been using for quite some time to make money, decent money actually on the forex market. So, yep. Once again, before I leave, I have a very special offer. Okay, I'm gonna type here a special offer. Let me see. Okay. So this offer is suitable for new and also experienced traders. New and experienced traders. I want to invite you to join my Forex Signal group. Okay, there's a Forex Signal group. So instead of you analyzing the market, figuring out where the market will move, why not let us help you? Okay, provide you with trade signals, because we have a team of analysts in Forex Trading Playbook TV. I've hooked up with a team of analysts. Besides myself, I have also a group of people who are solid traders, and a team of us, we will provide signals to traders. So why not you join us, and instead of making an analysis, you can follow our trade signals and also profit. Is that a good deal? Of course it's a good deal. So where will you get this where can you find us? Where can you get this forex trading signal? I would like you to type forex trading playbook.com /forex guru. Yep, forextradingplaybook.com /forex guru. This is our this is where we place our signal. Okay, forextradingplaybook.com. Let me make this let me enlarge this. Let me make this a bit more larger. Boom. Okay, no. Okay. forextradingplaybook.com/forex guru. This is our special link for you to join our forex trade signals. If you join, you will be invited to join our private Telegram channel, where we will provide daily trade signals. Inside that channel alone, of course there are a few conditions, but the link is there. Please click, or please type this link, and you can get our special offer on this. So that's it for now from me. Adios, my friend. Thank you very much.